Hey, welcome back everybody. It's me, KB. So, you wanna play Fortnite in your low-end PC or laptop? Yes? Then you have come to the right place, my friend. So, I'm just gonna go to the straight point. I'm not gonna take a long time. So, first of all, have you heard about the cloud gaming services like Google Stadia, GeForce Now? If yes, good for you. If no, then you have to know about this. Okay, this is a really good service for those people who doesn't have a like supercomputer and they want to play the games in their computer, just like Fortnite. Okay, it's not like you can play only Fortnite, you can play other games too. So today in this video I'm gonna show you the GeForce Now. Okay, so I will put link in the description for this website. You can go there and download the GeForce Now. You can see there's a download link. So before we go any further, there are requirements. Okay, so first requirement is that you have to be in the country where GeForce Now supports. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here. These are the servers, aka countries. So if you live nearby any of these servers, then you're good to go. Okay, that is the one way to tell if this will work or not in your country. And another thing is that once you visit the site and you hit the join today button, once you visit the site and you will be here and you have to hit join today button. Okay, and once you hit that, it will say GeForce Now currently not supported in your country or region. Okay, so that means it won't work. Even if it will work, the experience will be horrible. You'll get higher ping in between the server and the game you're playing. Actually, in between the GeForce Now and you. Okay, I'm gonna show you after this what I mean. Okay, so unfortunately this service is also not available in my country, but somehow I managed to get this. Now I'm here to show you guys how to play Fortnite in your low-end PC. So that is the first requirement. Second requirement is that you need to have a good internet connection. So this is the spec thingy. I will also put a link in the description. You can go here and check by yourself. So I have this 60 megabytes per second internet speed, which means I can play 1080p game in GeForce Now. So that is the thing, and that's all you need. Okay, so if the GeForce Now is available in your country, then once you hit the join today button, it will say something like this: choose membership. Okay, so in free version, you can see we have the standard access and 1 hour of season length. So after 1 hour, it will get disconnected and you have to open that game again and start playing for another 1 hour. So I think this is unlimited. This is not just for 1 hour, because I have played the Fortnite and yesterday I checked again and it was working. So after 1 hour you have to close game and open that again. And we have the another founders pack which will give you the unlimited. I don't know, they don't say unlimited, but they say extended season length, which means maybe 5-6 hours or 12 hours or something like that. Since this is a cloud gaming, it will get streamed. Okay, so it doesn't matter what type of computer you have. You can play any, big title games in your PC using this. So that's it. And to download this, if you want to try this for free, I highly recommend you guys to try this first. And after that, decide if you want to pay or not. But free version works really good for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the download. Okay, just click on download link. And after that, it will load up. So actually this is available for Windows PC, Mac OS, Nvidia Shield, and Android. So if you have Windows, download for Windows. If you have Mac, download for Mac. That's it. These are the requirements and everything you need to know. And as I said, this is not for all countries. Even my country does not support this. So the experience will be bad for me, but it will be really good piece of software if you have a good internet plus you live in a supported country by GeForce Now. That's all you need to know. Now once you have installed this, so I have installed this already, so I'm just gonna search for this. you can see NVIDIA GeForce Now. I'm just gonna open it and I'm gonna show you the what do you call it? Yeah, Fortnite. Since Fortnite is a free game, you don't have to buy. So any game you know play, you need to buy. But Fortnite is a free game, so you don't have to buy. You just need this, and But if you want to play another paid games, it won't be free inside GeForce Now. It will be paid. But as I said, free games will be free, paid games will be paid. It's like a virtual computer or virtual console where you can play games through streaming. Okay, so as you can see, I have played Fortnite already, so this is my library. And yeah, I don't play other games, so I'm just gonna launch the Fortnite. You can search for the games here. So I'm just gonna, yeah, it's gonna analyze, do some work, and yeah, you just have to wait. This is just analyzing your network, whether it is good or something like that. It will tell you if your internet is good or bad. Okay, you just wait. I get this error because I don't live in a supported country by GeForce Now. Okay, I don't live there. I live in Nepal, and most of the things doesn't work in Nepal actually. Okay, even in Fortnite we get minimum of 100 ping, and we have to use VPN to actually play Fortnite in our country. Without VPN we get like 250 to 300 ping because of our ISP problem. Okay, internet service provider is really bad now these days in Nepal. So yeah, I can't do anything about it, but at least I'm trying to help you guys if you live in a supported country by GeForce Now, so you can play Fortnite for free, in your low-end PC. You don't have to buy a graphic card or anything like that. So I'm just gonna connect this and it's just gonna load up the game now. So I just hit continue anyway, because the distance between my country and the server is really far. So I will not have that great experience, but I will have the smooth gameplay. I'm being honest here. This is for those people who lives in a country supported by GeForce Now. Okay, so yeah, so this is not for all people on world, in the world. Okay, this is for some special people, because NVIDIA does not support every single country. Okay, we have Japan, Korea, US, East and South, both of them, and Russia, Europe. So if you live one of these country or continent, then good for you. It will be really good software, since this is a free, like for 1 hour you can play any game, and after that you have to close. And if you like it, you can actually buy. So, and one more thing, this is not a sponsored video by anyone, not even Epic Games or a NVIDIA. Okay, this is just a video to show you guys, this is a tutorial for you guys. Okay, something is happening. I didn't know about this. So season 2 is coming of chapter 2. Okay, wow. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so I just want to unlimited FPS. Really, I just want to check in which, oh man, look at this. If I was in a NA East, I think this is a US. If I was in US, I would get 0 ping. 1 ping. Look at that, man. I miss, I don't know what to say, but in here I can get 0 ping. There will be problem between NVIDIA and me, not between the game and game server. Still, it sucks. Okay. My country, not this thing. Okay, so now let's just start the solo. Yeah, solo. Who cares? Okay, I'm just gonna start this solo. I think I have turned on the Deuteronope. I'm just gonna turn that off for now, because it does not look eye-pleasing. Oh no. Okay, whatever. So how this is working, you already understood, I think, that this is in like NVIDIA GeForce Now is streaming the game for me and I'm able to play. Okay. Even if I have a low end computer. So I'm just going to turn this off all the way down. All right. So you can see I have 33 ping. Oh, wow. Look at that. I never had this low ping. The problem here is that the streaming service, where do I turn on the FPS? Let's see how much FPS do I get. All right, I finally found the FPS thingy and let's see how much of the FPS we are getting. Oh my God, wish, look at that. It's like over 250 FPS. Okay, constantly it's like 200 and something, So look at that. You can see FPS counter. Let me zoom in just for you guys, okay? And look at the ping, 20 ping. My reality. Let me show you how I play. I can't show you, but let me just tell you guys. My ping is always 100 above, 100 to 150, okay, in my PC, in my country, okay, and the FPS is like 50 to 60 in between that. I have the NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti. Oh man, wish I live in a better country than my country. I think I'm not hating my country, but just to play this game. Oh man, it doesn't matter. Like if I had the doo-dooest computer, okay, I will have this NVIDIA GeForce Now. Let me apply the 1080p settings, so yeah, I mean, this would have been a great experience. So yeah guys, if you live in a supported country by GeForce Now, you are in luck, boys. You'll get 250 plus ping, okay, and you'll get like below 20 ping. I'm gonna wish I had like 50 below ping in my country without using VPN. Okay, we have to use VPN because as I said, without VPN we get like 300 250 constant ping, sometime maybe 200, but yeah, the game here in Nepal is unplayable. Look at this. Okay, so yeah, man. I don't know what to say, but yeah, this is how you can play Fortnite in your low-end PC. But make sure that you live in a supported country. Don't do like me, okay? This is not a great experience because there is a response delay in between me and NVIDIA server, okay? This is not a problem of game, this is a problem of me, okay? And the NVIDIA. Please, NVIDIA, support your software, at least put your server in our country. That will never happen. I know that, but yeah, this will be really helpful and really amazing software for those people who doesn't have a good PC to play Fortnite and they want to play Fortnite because the season 2 is coming of chapter 2 and okay, so yeah, look at that. I have 10 ping. Man, I can destroy people if I had this ping. Oh no. Look at that. That is a delay in between me and GeForce Now server, okay? So it's not nobody's fault. It's my fault because I live in Nepal to play the game, okay? Yeah. You can also try another games, but Fortnite is really popular. So yeah. Everybody wants to play Fortnite. Yay. So yeah, that's it guys. Since we came here in Fortnite, so Frenzy Farm is my favorite drop. So every time bus goes above this, every time I drop and I try to get some kills. This is my favorite place. just for entertainment, guys. Okay, if you spot me, and I don't wear this skin all the time, I wear a scout skin, if you know what that skin is. Okay, it's a black dude. Okay, black dude skin. I like that. Yeah, this would have been a amazing experience if I was in a USA or any Europe country, or maybe even in Russia, or even in Japan, or even in Korea. Okay, this would have been a amazing experience, because you're getting a 200 plus FPS, and you're getting a below 20 ping, which is just unimaginable, to be honest. Okay. Oh, thanks, dude. I'm dead. And one more thing, I hate tech in Fortnite. Okay, I only use pump. And yeah, please, Epic, remove the tech and remove the SMG. Only pump and AR, and also remove the sniper, because I always get sniped. That's it. That was just for fun joke. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna put link in the description for the Nvidia site. You can go there and try it out. And as I said, there is a free version, so try the free version, and if it works really well for you, then yeah, this is a amazing thing if you want to play Fortnite or any other game. So people play Fortnite, a lot of people. So yeah, I'm hoping that this video will be useful for them. Okay, if you live in a country where Nvidia GeForce Now is supported. Okay, so I'm just gonna close that. I think I have to close this. Yep, back to my PC now. Okay, that was a great experience for the FPS matter and the ping. Okay, but it wasn't a great experience in between Nvidia, GeForce Now, and me, because I live in a doo-doo country for the gaming thingy. Okay, or anything else. But it's a great country. Okay, if you want to, you can come here and visit and go back to your country and play Fortnite. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't have words to say anything about it. Wish we had support for the GeForce Now in our country. I would dominate. Okay. That's it, guys. So yeah, this is the GeForce Now. Here you can browse games. You can also search for the game. Let's try to search for CSGO. Yeah, there is a CSGO. Let's try to search for PUBG maybe. Yeah, there is a PUBG, which is in experimental server. Okay. But as I said, I don't play any other games than Fortnite, or maybe some mobile games, but in PC I play Fortnite, and it was amazing experience. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I will put link in the description for the website for the Nvidia GeForce Now. You can go there and try by yourself, and do the comment in the comment section below. Did you like the software or something like that? How was the experience? Okay, don't do like me. Okay, if it's not available in your country, don't try. Actually, it won't be that great experience. You'll be jealous, because you'll have more FPS and ping, but the experience will be bad because you don't live in a country where the GeForce Now is supported. Okay, if you live in a country where the GeForce Now servers are, then this have been a just amazing thing. That's it. I took a long time. That's it. I don't want to talk too much. I'm jealous now because we don't have these services in our country. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.